Wow! Completely remodeled unit with new vinyl flooring throughout, brand new custom kitchen, quartz countertops, brand new appliances, new lighting, paint, customized closet, new vanities and bathrooms, and more. AC and water heater have been replaced, washer dryer inside, super easy access to I-95, minutes from shopping. Great canal front location with no backyard neighbors. Great square footage. Awesome amenities include a community pool, well-equipped fitness, tennis courts, clubhouse, water/cable include in rent. You will be hard-pressed to find a better unit than this.